Okay folks, I noticed my wonderful DeWalt chop saw right here is a kink. I think I don't know why, but it's not going into the bag. And I think over time it's lost its strength and there's a sag. So what's happening is it's not going in the bag. As you can see, it's just hanging out in there, not going through. Well, I'm going to show you how I'm going to fix it really quickly. Okay, I got my glue gun. I'm going to glue gun this dowel right here in place. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to have a cloth where a wet cloth where I can put down on it so it will cool off quickly. So I've rounded the edges on the dowel so it will not cut into this wood, into this bag. And I'm going to go ahead and start right here, put some glue in there. Alright, not going to look pretty, but it's going to work. So then I got to get this back in there, not burn myself. Push it and stretch it. Stretch it. Ouch. I'll get some up here. So we'll let this dry. Doesn't look pretty, but just got to work. You know, just got to do what it's supposed to do. Keep that straight. Allow the sawdust to blow in the bag. I'll put my trusty earmuffs on. Ear protection at all times. You can see the bag is blowing. The bag is straight. Mission accomplished. Now just to double check it, I'm going to cut some wood. This is the best chop saw I've ever had. It's in there. See that? No clog. The bag is filling. Mission accomplished. All right.